Bakit kailangan ng Dr. Vita Barley with Chlorella araw-araw? Madami na ang sakit ngayon na nagiging causes ng early death. Tataka tayo bakit pabata ng pabata ang mga nagkaka-stroke, diabetes at cancer na nagpapaikli ng ating lifespan. There's a perfect supplement to address all of these for a longer life. Did you know na ang Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder can help and manage illnesses to extend your life? Why Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder? We all know that barley is a superfood rich in fiber and cancer-fighting properties. But barley is the only superfood here in this world that can help promote long life. Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder also have other superfoods. Chlorella, wheatgrass, and fucoidan. So, it's just not one, but 3 superfoods in one supplement. Here is why you should take Dr. Vita Barley every day. Number 1. Barley has high fiber content. They prevent gallstones. Gallstones are solid particles that form spontaneously in the gallbladder. Gallbladder is a small organ that is located under the liver. The gallbladder produces bile acids, which your body uses to digest fat. In most cases, gallstones does not produce symptoms. However, from time to time, large gallstones get stuck in a duct of your gallbladder, causing intense pain. Such cases often require surgery to remove the gallbladder. The type of insoluble fiber found in barley may help prevent the formation of gallstones and reduce the likelihood of gallbladder surgery. Number 2. Barley may also lower cholesterol levels. The beta-glucans found in barley have been shown to reduce LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, by binding to bile acids. Your body removes these bile acids, which your liver produces from cholesterol. Your liver must then use up more cholesterol to make new bile acid, in turn lowering the amount of cholesterol circulating in your blood. Number 3, reduces the risk of stroke and lowering cholesterol levels. Whole grains are consistently linked to better heart health. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that regularly adding barley to your diet may lower your risk of heart disease. That's because barley may lower risk factors. In addition to reducing LDL,